I'm feeling full of energy again. This is going to be the most challenging walk up a hill in recent memory. Will I rise to the challenge, or will I buckle under the steepness of the muddy path uphill? We will find out. Okay, let's do it. We start it half a mile uphill. It's going to be epic. Farewell. It's been good, guys. We've had a bit of fun. Up, 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 up. It takes some doing to walk a mile and a half from the Valley of Rocks to here, get full of fish and chips, and then walk the steepest hill back. You know, but I'm up to it. You know, I feel like I've got much more in me. I'm surprised so far. But look, we're greeted by a big steep bit. It's unrelenting. Look how it's just getting steeper. I'll sleep tonight. We've got light. It's a nice sight. Unbelievable what I just did. That is so steep, man. And this goes to Lynton. I don't remember Lynton very much. That's a quarter of a mile. Do you want to see Lynton? I wasn't going to Lynton. I wasn't going. Oh, it's not far though, is it? I'll do it for you. Oh man, I'm really pushing myself after this big climb. Sometimes in life, you only get one opportunity. And this is definitely a moment where I got one opportunity to go and see Lynton. I expect it to be dead, yes. But at least we can go and have a look at it, eh? You know, saying it's only a quarter of a mile away. We still have plenty of daylight left. Come on! Wow, it's incredible. This is how high we've climbed. That beautiful view of the course there. Such calm in the water. Such roughness. It's pretty rough, but it looks calm from here, right? And look down here. Someone just sits outside and chills. Cup of coffee, eat the food outside. Little back door. Oh, just amazing. We got the Chow's Nest. Elevated 500 feet. Above Lynmouth. We just climbed 500 feet, but 1860, wow, that's a long time. A retreat for a Victorian family. Wake up to the glorious sea view, Chow's Nest. Look at that, awesome. You fancy a great break, or a great retreat? There we go. So you know where to come. Chow's Nest, and you got these views. I've not literally seen no person at all. We've got another one here. We've got North Walk House. Look at that view, wow. No prices on there though. Soft catering to sit there, look at that view. You get a nice little living room, sitting room, nice table, dining table, bathroom. Really nice, looks good, you fancy it? The Valley of Rocks is a magical place. Sit and gaze at the view with a smile on your face. We sort of did that. Come rain or shine, the goats are just fine. Love it, and have no fear. We'll be back next year. Up in the Valley of Rocks, where seabirds fly and flock, synchronized clouds in the waves bring people to stop and gaze. The perfect day, white crusted waves, billowy heather, sun is shining, windy weather. Nice poems, aren't they? This is the place where dolphins dance, cliffs frown, goats peer, and seagulls swoop. They certainly do that. Trees form fans over shadowy paths, definitely. It's all true. Observed all this, haven't we? One could stay with the sun on my back, beautiful. Where the ferns flutter till the night falls and the constellations, wow. Love those poems, really great. Look at it. This is like something out of Avatar, isn't it? These trees. And that, look at that, that's top of the railway. But look at that, wow. That is an epic, epic tree. I really don't know where this energy's come from after all this walking, climbing that 300 foot, whatever. There's a railway. That's where it goes down, you catch it there of course. And he goes down. And what a view of this. I just met a guy called Johnny. He's walking right around 600 miles. He's come from Minehead. And he's just there walking right at the distance. But an amazing guy. He's just doing like, I think he's going to end up in Penzance. Poems walk. Throughout its history, in the years that have passed, Lynton holds memories that will forever last. Its history lies within its cobbles, stood there for a year, created from the flood disaster that lies within their fear. Years from now on, it will still be here. So take a walk to Lynton, and take in the atmosphere. And there's that one as well if you want to read. And just pause it. I'm not going to read it all because we'll never get anywhere. Westaway, a path for all times. For centuries this path has been used to transport goods from Lynmouth harbour to Lynton. Before 1810 there was no wheeled vehicles. There we go. It just calms you, you know? You see views like this, it really calms you. Valley of Rocks Hotel. Everything's closed, of course. We'll just have a quick look round. It's a nice street. The museum. The only places open really are the bars. The Crown Hotel. That's been there a while, hasn't it? But it's a museum, so the Globe Hotel. We've got the Vanilla Pod, the coffee bar restaurant. So at this time we have the bars, the hotels and the chippies open and whatever restaurants there is. I found a really nice street, Queen Street. It reminds me of a French street when I was in France once. But look at it. The pottery in the window. How cool are those? And the signs to what's down there, of course. And we got those bikes. They're nice, they're unique. Here we have Little of What You Fancy. That's a cool name, isn't it? Little of What You Fancy. So whatever you fancy, this place has it. A bit of everything. And all that. You've got piggies. Not West Piggies. A photo gallery. It's a buffalo or a Highland buffalo. A Highland cattle. That's nice landscape. And that's where we're parked near there. And that's a beautiful Somerset sea mist for 70 quid. That's not bad. I'm only here because I eat food that I need more of it. There's so much to do. You're gonna laugh at some of these. Lynton Cottage, open all year. Sea view apartments, a collection of 1, 2, 3 bedroom apartments. How magical is that from this place? Look at the view again. Absolutely amazing. Villa Spladi, 1837-1923. St Thomas Hewitt loved this place and built this house. Props to him. Gardens as well, 1870 for this place. I'm back in my happy place, the coastal path looking at the ocean and Wales, and it's just gonna be a fine sunset tonight. Look at it, the sun is just shining fully and glowing the path and the bay as well. That's all the way down, no fence or nothing, you're on your own up here. And then right into the sun, well the sun will be going down later, but this is one of the finest walks you'll ever do. What a fine day. Whenever I go to places, I just love it so much. I'm almost like, whew, euphoria. And I love to share it with you too. It's going to be a fabulous sunset. I know it's backlit with the sun now. But this is just fabulous views. But it's definitely a day in a memory with a view like this, looking into the fabulous sun. Well, I'm back at the start now. It's going to be a cracking sunset. Absolutely fine night here at the Valley of Rocks. Bird gliding in the air there. What a place. It's like a different planet. We've got a small crowd gathering for the pending sunset. I've got a very nice spot for the sunset. I'm just overlooking the roundabout, and I've got the camera set up. You can see there's the sunset. How amazing is that? You want to come up here at this point, it's great for sunset. The cloud is coming to play now, so we'll not see the horizon dip. I've loved being here, I love seeing it. I've been here twice in the last month. This could be the last time, probably ever. And what a view. I'm very filled up and happy I came. It's been amazing. So good. What a big walk today. Absolutely fantastic. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to subscribe, I appreciate that, because there's some more vlogs to come from really interesting places. Peace.